Hello everyone, I'm Carl and today I will be making some textured paint. I had already shown this in a past video, but since I will be using it in the next couple of videos, I thought it was better to have a standalone that I could point you to. To make textured paint, we will be mixing PVA glue, acrylic paint and construction sand. The ratio of glue to paint depends on the color you want to achieve, as with some colors you may need to put in more or less. However, I think I almost always use slightly less paint than I did glue, maybe a 3 to 4 ratio. Either way, you don't want to use your miniature paints here or it will cost you a fortune. Regular artist paints or craft paints work fine. Once you have glue and paint in your container, add a splash of water and start mixing until the color is even. You can then start adding construction sand. Don't dump it all in one go. Add a little, mix it in, then add a little more until it's as gritty as you want it to be. And that's it, you have yourself a jar of textured paint. You can make just about any grit you like using this way, using finer or coarser material, or make it any color you want. So if you want red for a Martian base, dark grey for an ash waste, or blue and green for an underwater base, go for it. In the next couple of videos I will be using this jar of textured paint for some bases and terrain. In the meantime, thank you for watching and see you around.